Hello everyone, and here's your May bonus garden update, the front garden, and here it is. Nowhere near as well developed as the back, but we're getting on with it. Grass needs a desperate cut. We'll do that this weekend. We've been hanging off on a lot of stuff just because we can't get get rid of garden waste right now because of lockdown. So we will be working through this hopefully really soon, but it's come on quite a lot. This is just like a plant I had from cutting from my mum. It's spread everywhere, but the flowers are out. Conifers starting to put on a bit of a spurt of growth. Conifers should stay really small for a long time, and then they suddenly really take off. This grass is going to come out just because we've got a load over there, and it just spreads everywhere. You can see, like I said last week, we've really cut all of the hedges right back in the front. They've come forward so much. And as I was saying then, I'm going to do like a privet hedge like this. Just do one side a year, but you can go back really, really hard. But yeah, this opened up a lot of space all down that side. And we're going to rework this and replant all of this over the next couple of years. We'll probably do some landscaping changes. We've got stuff in here that needs to come out. That's like just sort of weeds, like this sort of sycamore that's coming on. But what is amazing, and there's one in the back, but it's kind of hard to see, is this peony is out in flower, and you can see how amazing. Look at the size of those flowers. They don't flower for very long, for about a week, and maybe a bit longer if the weather's good, it's not getting blown or rained on. But even if they only flower for a week, they're a perennial. I highly recommend getting some, just because the flowers are so magnificent. When I didn't have a lot of stuff in the garden, when we didn't, it seemed they just went too quickly, but now we have a lot. It's just one of those little highlights. You've got this little spot here, and then just sort of coming up, that once a year, and just being so amazing. It's certainly worth it. Budley's starting to put on a spurt now, but this is again really nice, like the bottom of the garden in the back. The different foliages. You've got the sambucus, like the black elderflower here. The variegated spirea, and it just as a combination of all of this foliage across. Actually, I think there was a flower out on this. Yeah, this is one of my favourites. Next time this will be right out. But yeah, I don't think it's probably, the sun's only just been on there today. This front bit here is again something we want to work on. Slowly getting it a better shape slowly on this fuchsia. And just look at these tulips. The problem is, it won't be that long before they're done, and then the front will be a bit disappointing. But we're pretty happy in the meantime with how these roses we planted, sort of to commemorate my mum are going. But yeah, again, this is probably something we'd have bought a lot of new stuff and planted if we could get out to garden centre, because it's shady spot, because it's near to the house shelters it from rain. It's quite dry, so we've got a dry, shady spot, and that's a pretty tough spot to try and plant for. So we've got no garden waste pickups at the moment, and all our recycling centres where we could take stuff, a lot we have a car anyway, are closed. But they are starting to reopen, and we'll get garden waste collections again soon. This is all the hedge from trimming the sides. Got a big ton bag here with this stuff, but won't actually take that long to clear. But yeah, we're getting pickups again from the end of this month, and then we'll actually start to get rid of it. We've got some more stuff in here now. The idea down here, this side's right back, and then we're going to get, maybe it was last video, actually this side, but yeah, we're getting sort of variety of shrubs and stuff down here. So this will eventually be, at some point, again, a carport. We'll have we'll get a new car, and then we'll have this nice wall of shrubs here, sort of against this hedge. Something quite nice and easy to do. Got to get a bit of fencing in there at some point. We're hoping to clear that this year, but again, we can't. This is all, again, more stuff to go. So garden bin ready, some stuff just to go to tip. That's a barbecue that someone dumped in our hedge. Thank you, whoever that was. And then you can see down here again, this is an area that needs a lot of work. We'll plant down here, we'll put a path down of some kind. There is sort of one there, but it's grown over. There's some weeds and bits and pieces. But one thing we did do for VE Day, we did come out and we did do quite a bit of clearing up on the street, and here's Mr. Cookie there's our big pile of rubbish that we cleared.
Ice cream.
Down there is our big pile of rubbish that we sort of cleared, ready to sort of hopefully get the council to take at some point. And we'll continue working and getting it all neat and tidy. And there you go. There is your bonus garden update. I hope you're all safe, you're all well. I love you, and I'll see you next month. Bye bye everyone.